Hello, I'm K.Vouffo Christian, founder and CEO of GlimsePlatform, a startup that focuses on digital identity. Working with FasterCapital has been a genuinely professional experience. Their customer service is responsive, clear, and consistent. I've appreciated the direct communication with their team, especially with Mr. Hashem Zurek, whose strategic insights have been both timely and actionable. The EquityPilot program, which I'm currently in, helped us sharpen our investor materials, rethink on our financial models, and the review and reports were detailed. That's the review and reports which Faster Capital sent to us. They were so detailed and investor grade, and they came at no extra cost, which speaks volume about Faster Capital commitment with founders. One area in which I particularly valued was the feedback loop from angel investors. It gave us a clarity on how GlimsePlatform is perceived by investors and helped us refine our pitch to better resonate with global backers. I would absolutely recommend this program to other startups which I believe are in the same situation like me. Yes, because working with Faster Capital is not just about funding, but it's also about strategic refinement, credibility, and exposure. Faster Capital delivers real and impactful solutions, which I think is to be part, which I think any founder in the world has the any founder in the world will really have the will and zeal to be part of their network. I would also like to thank their teams and also to say Faster Capital is one of the best online incubators so far, which I've seen and which I'm ready to defend. Thank you.